been a while since we bought a new mower, but we need one. Have about 4 or 5 acres to mow. So this is the one we're looking at. I was looking at both, but 42 inches, 4 inches. I'm not gonna. This one's actually gonna be on sale for like $100 less. So. Hello. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Now you're ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready. $10. About $5. I got special glasses for me. Yeah. Take them. These.
Actually, that's you, George. That's 100% you.
Huh?
That's good. The student is finally passing. The student is finally passing.
Let me lift it up. First cut of the year. Oh, how come it's not straight?
Take it off a cut. You gotta put it in.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta put it in travel.
You come closer. I took 2 spins with the mower, and I mean, it's first time. We just bought it, picked it up at Tractor Supply, and I'm excited. I have about approximately 4 or 5 acres here to mow grass with. The first pass I did, if you could zoom in on the grass, the deck was too low. You can see. Now this last pass, the deck was too high. So when you're first starting, we didn't get to. You back on me? Okay. We didn't get to actually mow the grass in probably September, October-ish. We probably should have gave it one good mow before this, the end of the season. But we were having problems with the mower that we had, and so we never got to finish that. So one of the things I wanted to do here is, you know, if you guys follow me, Patdees, I'm a reseller and stuff like that, and the money I've made the past month selling on eBay and Amazon, I took some of those profits and I went out and bought a nice Cub Cadet mower. So I will give you guys more of an in-depth review on this. I'll show you the engine, show you the stuff like that, but I was kind of excited. Now, Josh, Big Red, will be helping me mow the grass and stuff like that, but certain aspects of the yard, we got to pick up, a tree fell down and stuff like that, and so we kind of got to walk the yard first. Sometimes in the past, that's been a mistake that's not been done because, frankly, a little lazy, hop on the mower and just go through, and then you're hitting twigs, and that's too much for the blade, or if the twig is big enough, it kind of screws with the deck. So let me, I'm going to go 2 or 3 more passes. I'm going to adjust the deck. Right now the deck is all the way up. Let's take it down to a 3, and let's see how that cuts. But I have, if pan out here, I have a hilly section here that I'm going to ride up, and the mower has to have the ability to come up that hill, and that's one of the biggest things that we have to do here. So
it looks like nothing on camera. Huh? The hill looks like nothing on camera.
Well, yeah, but you know, but it doesn't matter because you don't. I mean, as you can see, that you guys don't realize that on the video and stuff, but that is people don't realize where we're standing down to the wood lines, and I'll have to pan down to the woods right now. That is probably easily from where we're standing, easily an 80-foot drop. So there's an incline here when you go down. You could see in the distance over there, there's the bodies of John Deere's. We had bought a John Deere about 20 years ago, and we used it hard. You know, when you first have a new property, the rocks and stuff like that pop up, and you know, and we were using it for a little bit because we had a little bit of a commercial business doing side jobs, and then the other one we picked up somewhere. We used it for parts and stuff like that, but you know, one of the things is having the restaurant in the past, I didn't have time to necessarily. So I have the property here. I have 17 acres. About, like I said, about 4 or 5 of it is grass and the rest is wooded. But you know, this is a great time now. It is May the 2nd when I'm filming this, 2020. So you know, it is still a little breezy and cold. Actually, it's probably about 57 or something like that. And but you can see we have a little bit of a burn pile down there, and we're gonna, that's some of the branches that actually fell down. We're gonna cut some trees and do a bunch of different things and kind of really catch up. You know, I've been busy with doing the online business, but also I gotta still, I never got to enjoy the property here, so I'm hoping to at least get a good 10 years out of this mower. I will show you throughout the video that, you know, a little bit more in depth of the you know, the engine and different things like that. You can see over here, this is how it comes on display. I mean, you guys are going to comment below, but the chute must be like this so when they unload it, but he's got to get a socket and take it out, and then it has to go back down because obviously it's dangerous like that, you know, being like that. So, all right, guys, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. You know, I haven't made a video in a while and stuff, and I'm sure there's people that are going to watch this review that don't know who Patdees is. If you guys could just like and subscribe, it doesn't cost you nothing. And you know, tell me what kind of mower you have and you like. I've bought a Poland Pro, I've bought a John Deere, and now a Cub Cadet, brand new in the last 20 years. The Poland Pro I didn't have too much good luck with. I bought 2 years ago. Part of it's our own fault because we use it hard and it sat outside all winter and stuff like that. And so, you know, sometimes it helps if you're a little bit handy. I'm handy to a point, but not mechanically. So, a damn bug. Sorry about that. A bug went in my mouth. I guess I should have been wearing a face mask. All right, guys. Thanks.
Okay, guys. Patdees here. Now, the original footage that you saw of me riding the mowers actually from 3 or 4 weeks ago. So I wanted to give you an honest, and it's a little dirty right now, so maybe it's a poor representation of showing it, but hey, it's getting used, and I wanted to kind of go over this real quick with you guys. Here's the adjustable for the deck, and then obviously this contraption here is when you want to throw the blades on and stuff like that. The seat is comfortable. This is INTELLIPOWER optimized cut performance Cub Cadet. It's a 42-inch cut. We've had it now for 3 or 4 weeks, not sure exactly the time. It's running great. Like I said, don't mind there's a little bit of dirt and stuff, because you know what, we're using it, the nice engine. This is the back to go forward. You know, do I know everything about it? No. We've had it for a month now, but we've probably cut the lawn probably about 5 or 6 times. Nice headlights. We were actually using it to pull. We had an issue here where we had a backup in our basement, and we're even pulling a trailer with it and stuff. So it works that. It's going up and down the hills fine. A little bit one day when it rained, it struggled a little bit, but I got very steep hills. So, but overall, very happy with it. I have $1,700 into this. I could have spent about another $400 for another 4 more inch cut, but I was like, nah, it's not worth it. So, all right, guys, I appreciate you guys watching this. Sorry for the delay, but I really wanted to. I didn't want to represent the lawnmower right off the bat. I wanted to run it for a couple weeks before really I would talk about it. Our problem is we need to do a better job keeping it clean and storing it over the winter. So we're going to try to store it in the garage. The rain doesn't kill it. I mean, they keep these things out at Tractor Supply or the places like that in the weather, and the rain doesn't hurt it at all. So I think the cold more so would hurt it with free, you know, killing the battery and things like that. So, but I like it. I like the job that it's doing. It's making our grass look good, and I'm actually going to get on it right now and do a little grass cutting. So thanks again, and like and subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it.